We'll guide you through how to make a slow motion video in CapCut PC. If you find this guide useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This is super useful to go and do for whatever reason. So first of all, make sure you've gone and imported the video into CapCut that you want to do this with. Then all you need to do is go and add it into your project. So click, hold and drag it in like so. Here it is. Now what we can do is we can go and make the entire video slow-mo or just part of it. Make sure you've got the clip selected and go to the top right. There you'll go and see the option for speed. So if you want to make the entire thing slow-mo, just come into standard and you can go and decrease it like so. You can choose the amount, you'll see the new duration and you can then go and play it back. And what you can alternatively do, if I go and undo this, is you can go and click on curve and you can go and choose a curve. For example, we could go and use bullet here. We can then go and play it back and you'll see how it goes and looks. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.